Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how to add a location to your Instagram reels. So if you want to just add a specific location like a restaurant at a city and just a vacation or something like that, you can always tag a location so that everyone knows where that reels has been taken. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So just open up your Instagram and after that just swipe to the right and just over here record a quick reel. Once you are done, just click on the next button and then again click on next and just scroll the way down and you can see over here that there's an option for add location. You have to just click on it and you can just add up over here a place which you want to search. Like I just want to go for Goa, and you can see that there's a various option for Goa like Goa and Jana Bridge. You can just click on that and that specific location has been added to your reel. If anybody just searching for reels at this particular place, they can just simply go to that location and just find out. So that's all for this video. I hope this video was a great help to you. If you find this video helpful, please do subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the like button. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.